Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11. Step 1, open App Data folder. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. In the Run window, type App Data and press OK. Step 2, show hidden files. In the App Data folder, click the three-dot menu and select Options. Switch to the View tab, find and enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply and OK to save changes. Step 3, delete icon cache file. Open the local folder in App Data. Scroll down and locate the icon cache file. Delete this file and close the window. Step 4, restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Step 5, verify the issue is fixed. Check the icons on the desktop. If the issue persists, try restarting your computer. If the above steps have fixed the issue, the process is complete. If the problem remains, further system checks may be needed.